Hello friends, welcome back. Can you multiply 24 times 36 in a single line? In today's math lesson video, we are going to do two-digit multiplication in a single line. And trust me, what I'm going to show you will save you a lot of time. So let's get started. So we know the normal way of doing the multiplication, the old style. But I'm going to teach you the fastest and time-saving one-line multiplication method. So here we go. Alright, so let's take 21 times 18. First step, 8 times 1 is 8. Second step, we're going to cross multiply these two numbers. So 8 times 2 is 16. 1 times 1 is 1. Add these two numbers, 6 plus 1 is 7 and 1, 17. We're going to take this 7, put it over here. We have 1 in your hand. Fourth step, 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1, 3. So this is our total, 21 times 18 equals to 378. See, one single line multiplication. You like it? Alright, let's do another one. Let's take number 23 times 42, for example. 2 times 3 is 6. That was our first step. Second step, we're going to cross multiply these two numbers. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Now add these two numbers, 6 and 116. So take this 6, put it over here. We have 1 in our hand. Fourth step, 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, which is 9. So our total is 23 times 42 equals to 966. See how easy it is? You can multiply a two-digit number in one single line. See, I told you, it's all mental math. Let's do more. Let's take number 62 times 42. First step we know, 2 times 2 is 4. Second step and third step, we're going to cross multiply. 2 times 6 is 12. 4 times 2 is 8. Then we will add these two numbers, which is 20. We'll take that 0, put it over here. We have 2 in our hand. 4 times 6 is 24 plus 2, which is 26. So our total 62 times 42 is 2604. Alright, how about you try this time? Let's do it. Let's take 76 times 54. Alright, go ahead. Alrighty, hope you got the answer. Let's do this. First step, 4 times 6 is 24. So we're going to write 4 over here. We hold the 2 in our hand. Cross multiplication. 4 times 7 is 28. 5 times 6 is 30. Now add all these numbers. 8 and 2, 10, 0, 1, 3 and 3, 6. Put this 0 over here. Hold the 6 in your hand. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 6 is 41. See how easy it is? I love it, guys. So, did you get the answer? 76 times 54 equals to 4104. Alright, let's do one last one. Hope you got the concept. Let's take number 96 times 60. Alright, first thing. 0 times 6, 0. Second step, third step, cross multiplication. 0 times 9 is 0. 6 times 6 is 36. So our total here is 36. We take this 6, put it over here. We have 3 in our hand. 9 times 6 is 54 plus this 3, which is 57. So our total is 5760. Trust me, guys. This multiplication method will save you a lot of time in your exam. So, hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.